Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network. That's AutoHunter.com, ClassicCars.com, and The Journal. And we're here with Baron Jackson at the 2022 Las Vegas auctions. And behind me, we're looking at a seriously modified 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Now, where to start? I mean, what hasn't been modified on this car? The first thing you kind of notice is that there is a 427 badge on this vehicle. And while that's not a factory option, what has been done is you'll go ahead and see that this has a massive 427 cubic inch V8 that's been shoved in this, along with all sorts of modern brakes and suspension. Looking at the engine bay, you can even see some of the control arms and some of the modern suspension. I should say that this car does have QA1 coilover suspension all around the car, including a custom 4-link suspension in the rear. You'll notice in the front here that it obviously has some aftermarket wheels, along with the drilled and slotted rotors that are sitting in the front here. Now, as we get to the interior of this car, this is a full-on race car. You can tell that it's got a 10-point roll cage, along with racing harnesses and some serious bucket seats. That transmission you're taking a look at in there is actually a semi-automatic turbo 400 with a 3500 conversion. And then, of course, the car has all aftermarket gauges to go ahead and make up for that wicked 427 engine that is sitting under the hood there. As we get to the back, it has some awesome side exit exhaust pipes here and these massive wheels. I can't get enough of how big these are. And of course, we have the extended studs as well, just reminding you that this is in fact a race car. The car does have your typical sort of black vinyl hood, and as we come to the back, there's nothing too crazy here other than this awesome custom on and off switch, which has been done using the SS badge in the rear, which is really cool. I think it's one of those very subtle knocks, but it's a good way to be very subtle. But what can I say? This, like I said, what hasn't been done to this race car? This is a very serious, highly modified 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. So with that, if you want to get a collector vehicle like this for yourself, be sure to check out our online auction, AutoHunter.com, or check out our classified listing marketplace, ClassicCars.com, which has over 35,000 vehicles currently on the site. If you guys could go ahead and throw a like on this video, we'd really appreciate it, as it does help out the channel. And if you want to make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss more content like this in the future. With that, thank you so much for watching.